Water activities. Making a splash on your camping adventure. When it comes to camping, there's nothing quite like being near a body of water. Whether it's a serene lake, a meandering river, or a breathtaking beach, the proximity to water opens up a whole world of exciting activities for families to enjoy. From swimming and kayaking to paddleboarding and simply relaxing by the water's edge, water activities add a refreshing element to your camping adventure. In this article, we'll dive into the world of water activities and explore how they can enhance your camping experience. 1. Swimming. One of the most popular and refreshing water activities is swimming. Take a dip in the cool waters of a lake or beach, and feel the stress melt away as you immerse yourself in the natural surroundings. Swimming is a great way to cool off on a hot summer day and provides an opportunity for the whole family to have fun and stay active. Remember to always swim in designated areas and follow safety guidelines to ensure a safe experience. 2. Kayaking and canoeing. If you're looking for a more adventurous water activity, kayaking or canoeing is a fantastic option. These activities allow you to explore the water at your own pace, navigate through calm rivers or glide across peaceful lakes. Rent a kayak or canoe from a local outfitter or bring your own if you have the means to transport it. Paddle along the shoreline, discover hidden coves, and observe wildlife in their natural habitat. It's an excellent way to connect with nature and create unforgettable memories. 3. Paddleboarding. Paddleboarding has gained popularity in recent years and offers a unique way to experience the water. Stand atop a paddleboard, use a long paddle to navigate, and enjoy a full body workout as you balance and glide across the surface. Paddleboarding is suitable for all ages and skill levels, and it's a great activity for building core strength and improving balance. Whether you prefer a leisurely paddle or want to try some yoga poses on the board, paddleboarding provides a fun and serene way to enjoy the water. 4. Fishing. For those who enjoy a more relaxed and contemplative water activity, fishing is a perfect choice. Many camping locations are near lakes, rivers, or fishing spots, providing ample opportunities to cast a line and try your luck at catching fish. Teach your children the art of casting, practice patience as you wait for a bite, and revel in the joy of reeling in your first catch. Fishing not only offers a chance to bond with family and friends but also allows you to connect with nature and appreciate the tranquility of the water. 5. Relaxing by the water's edge. Sometimes, the best water activity is simply relaxing and taking in the beauty of your surroundings. Find a comfortable spot by the water's edge, spread out a picnic blanket, and bask in the sun as you enjoy the gentle breeze and the sound of lapping waves or rustling leaves. It's an opportunity to unwind, read a book, or engage in meaningful conversations with your loved ones. This low-key water activity allows you to fully appreciate the peacefulness and serenity of nature. Before engaging in any water activities, it's important to prioritize safety. Here are some essential tips to keep in mind. Always wear appropriate safety gear, such as life jackets, when participating in water activities, especially if you're not a confident swimmer. Check weather conditions and water quality before swimming or engaging in water activities. Avoid strong currents, rough waves, or areas with potential hazards. If you're new to kayaking, canoeing, or paddleboarding, consider taking a lesson or seeking guidance from experienced individuals to ensure proper technique and safety. Be aware of local rules and regulations regarding fishing, swimming, and other water activities. Obtain any necessary permits or licenses. Respect the environment and leave no trace. Dispose of trash properly and avoid disturbing wildlife or damaging natural habitats. Water activities offer endless possibilities for fun, relaxation, and adventure during your camping trip. Whether you're splashing in the water, exploring with a paddle in hand, or simply taking in the tranquility of the surroundings, these activities allow you to connect with nature and create cherished memories with your family and friends. So, pack your swimsuits, grab your paddles, and get ready to make a splash on your next camping adventure. Camping is our happy place.